Hey you guys, it's Mike from Mike's Custom Woodcrafts. Today I'm going to open up this box here, Bauer 5-speed small drill press. We're going to check it out, see what it's like. It's a nice size for this little area of shop I have in the garage, so let's check it out. Here we go. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, we got the manual. And we have the base and the actual base. This must be the chuck. Handles. And let's see, I think we got the head of the motor here. And we got our shaft. All right. Pretty basic, not that many parts. Aha, yep, that's the chuck. All right. So the screws must be in this bag. This is going to be a nice little addition. I kept debating about different brands, but I've had Bauer stuff before, and it's really not that bad. You know, just basic everyday use for this stuff is perfect, you know. Like, would I put it in a shop somewhere that does constant work? Probably not, but I don't do cuts at work. I'm retired and I putz around, so that's my story. All right, let's see what we got here. So there's three holes here that screw into this base, and this base is tapped out, so all you do is you put in these little bolts and put those in there. Okay, we get this guy on. And we'll see what we got here. Take the cord out. Okay, this Allen here, there's an Allen wrench. Okay, there's an Allen screw right here in this wrench that they give you. I'm assuming you loosen up this set screw. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we loosen up this Allen screw. This should just slide right on top of the post. Just like that. And I just want it kind of straight. Snug this guy up. This is what holds it to the shaft. Okay, that's that. And we'll get our screw handles put on. And you open the chuck all the way like it is. You put that on it, grab a chunk of wood, and you kind of crank this down. That'll seat the chuck on the actual shaft. And that's pretty much that. Now, this being a 5-speed, it's not with a automatic where you hit a knob and it'll change speeds and gears. This you have to actually take the belt, and if you hop the belt up a little bit, you turn it while you do it. I don't want to get my finger caught in there. I've done that before. You lift it and you turn it at the same time, and it'll pop up to the next gear there. Now on this other one here, yeah, lift up and turn it, and there you go, it'll pop into place. Here's all your different speeds on the chart. Right now we have it set at 1100 RPM. 1100 RPM is recommended for, let's see, what do we got here? Up to 7/8, it's for wood. 1/4 inch for iron or steel. Kind of gives you an idea what you're doing there. So that's pretty much it. That's putting it together part. Let's plug her in where she's going, and we'll see what it's like on a piece of wood. Okay, let's get a drill bit in there, and let's see where we're at here. Yeah, also this handy dandy little light here, the switch right underneath the on and off. That's kind of sweet. Nice little light. All right, let's give her a try here. A hole. So that's it. That's the Bauer drill press. I like it. It's good for the little things I'm going to need it for out here. I also got the grinder. You can tell I shop at Harbor Freight a little bit, but what can I say? It's like 3 miles up the road. So there you have it. I like it. Like and subscribe if you got anything out of this or enjoyed it. And I will see you guys again soon, I hope. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.